What's up, y'all? Chef Zay, and welcome to the Pancake Chronicles. On this episode, we're making some blueberry pancakes. And here is our mise en place. Dry ingredients first. Let's give that a mix. Wet ingredients, start with our milk, softened butter, egg yolks. Let's whisk this together. Vanilla. I love to have a light, airy, thick pancake. The best way I can say that I can get this consistently is by actually folding in egg whites. Let's fold this in. The consistency you're looking for is a thick, lumpy batter. And last but not least, the star of the show, blueberries. And just fold these in. For best results, we're gonna let this go for 30 to 60 minutes in the refrigerator and allow it to rest. Now, while the batter is resting, let's make some blueberry sauce. Blueberries, water, vanilla, sugar, cornstarch slurry. Once it's able to coat the back of your spatula, you're good to go. Let's start with some butter. Grease our pan now. Got our blueberry pancake batter. Now these, I ain't gonna lie, I'm excited about. Cheers. Oh, these are good. Better than your mama's. That's good. That's a whole vibe.